Okay guys, I'm Cheriyan. Let us do little more problems from differentiation of implicit function. Okay. Alright. Find dy by dx if sine x plus y equals y square cos x. Find dy by dx if sine x plus y is equal to y square cos x. These are implicit function. Okay, this is implicit function. What is this? Sine function. This one is algebraic function and trigonometry function. This one is trigonometry function or sine function. This one is called a trigonometry function. Okay. Here the product of two functions. So you need to apply the product rule. D by dx of u v equals u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Okay, here just one function, but you need to use the chain rule. Okay, what is the derivative of sine u? Derivative of sine u is cos u. Derivative of sine u is cos u. Okay, here cos x plus y. Then what is the next step? Differentiation of u, that is x plus y, that is chain rule. Differentiation, what is the derivative of x? 1 plus what is the derivative of y? dy by dx. Close the bracket. Finished. Okay, you don't need to apply the product rule here because x and y are adding, so it's not a product. If it is product xy, if it is xy, then you need to use the product rule. Here x plus y, you don't need to use the product rule. Okay, here you need to apply the product rule. First function is u, second function is v. U into y square into derivative of cos x. V dash means derivative of cos x, means minus sin x. Then plus v into cos x into derivative of y square, that is 2y into dy by dx. Okay. Distribute cos x plus y inside or open the bracket. Cos x plus y times 1 cos x plus y plus cos x plus y into dy by dx, cos x plus y into dy by dx equals, I will write minus first, minus sin x y square or minus y square sin x, both are same, minus y square. I think better y square comes first, is better, y square sin x. Okay, then here cos 2 plus, plus 2y cos x into dy by dx. See, dy by dx is here and dy by dx is there also, right? So what is the next step? Bring all the terms containing dy by dx together. Bring it together. So the terms not containing dy by dx go to the other side. Okay. See here, then this one is not containing dy by dx. So this one we don't need this here, right? So minus cos x plus y, adding minus cos x plus y on both sides, minus cos x plus y on both sides, and this one we don't need this, right? Minus 2y cos x dy by dx, minus 2y cos x dy by dx. So this one cancel out, this one also cancel out. So cos x plus y dy by dx minus 2y cos x dy by dx equals, I will write, okay, both are negative, so minus y square sin x minus cos x plus y. Then dy, what is the next step? Take dy by dx as a common factor. take out dy by dx cos x plus y minus 2y cos x. Close the bracket. Then minus y square sin x minus cos x plus y. Then dividing throughout by cos x plus y minus 2y cos x. Cos x plus y minus 2y cos x. See, all these problems are the same method. First, bring all the dy by dx together, then take dy by dx as a common factor, then divide. 3 steps. See, this one cancel out. So this is the answer. Dy by dx equals this one. See, one more time. Sin x plus y. What is the derivative of sin x plus y? Cos x plus y. 1 plus, then chain rule. Derivative of x is 1, 1 plus derivative of y is dy by dx. Here you need to apply the product rule. Y square into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx. So all the dy by dx come together. So cos x plus y dy by dx, cos x plus y dy by dx, minus 2y cos x dy by dx, then minus y square cos x sin x, then minus cos x plus y, correct. Then dy by dx, when you take out dy by dx as a common factor, cos x plus y minus 2y cos x, minus 2y cos x, then y square sin x cos x plus y, then dividing throughout by cos x plus y minus 2y cos x. So this is the answer. Okay guys? Next is it is a different type of problem. Okay, this one is another one. Okay, find dy by dx if x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 is equal to 16. This is easy. What is the derivative of x to the power 4? 4x to the power 3 plus what is the derivative of y to the power 4? 4y to the power 3. Apply the chain rule. Here also we are applying the chain rule. Derivative of x is 1. You don't need to write that. Here 4 y raised to 4 is 4y cube into dy. Derivative of y is dy by dx. Derivative of y is not equal to 1. Okay, no, it is not 1. Derivative of x is 1. So that is why we applied the chain rule, but times 1 is no change, right? So times 1 is equal to the 4x cube itself. So you don't need the, actually all the time you need to apply the chain rule. 4x cube times, when you apply the chain rule, times 1, then 4y cube times dy by dx equals 0. Okay, how can you find the dy by? There is no other dy by dx containing dy by dx, right? No other terms containing dy by dx. So bring this guy on the other side, or minus 4x cube, adding minus 4x cube on both sides. So this one cancel out. 4y cube dy by dx equals minus 4x cube. So what is the dy by dx? 4y cube cancel out, 4 cancel out, dy by dx equals minus x cube by y cube. That is the answer. Okay, 4x cube plus 4y cube dy by dx equals 0, minus 4x cube cancel. So minus x cube by y cube is the answer. So next one is a different type of problem. So that is also easy. If fx plus x square fx the whole cube equals 10. And f1 equals 2. Find f dash 1. Find f dash 1. That is the question. Okay, first we need to differentiate this because we need to find out f dash x. Find f dash x first, then substitute x is equal to 1. You get f dash 1. First differentiate that. I'm going to write one more time. Fx is equal to, fx plus x square fx the whole cube equals 10. What is the derivative of fx? What is the derivative of fx? F dash x plus a square into derivative of fx the whole cube is 3fx the whole square. See, it's like x cube. What is the derivative of x cube? 3x square. The same thing. Fx, we don't know what is fx. Just keep fx like that. 3 into fx the whole raised to 2. Then apply the chain rule. What is the derivative of fx? F dash x. Right? Derivative of fx is f dash x. So a square into derivative of this. Finished. Then plus we are applying the product rule because a square is one function, fx the whole cube is another function. So next one, fx the whole cube into derivative of x square, 2x. Then finish. Two terms, see, two terms. First f dash x, then here apply the product rule. Two terms. The answer contains two terms. See, the first term is x square, then fx the whole square, 3fx the whole square into f dash x plus fx the whole cube into derivative of x square is 2x equals, what is the derivative of 10? 0. Then put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. Why? Because we are going to find out f dash 1. Okay? F dash 1, f dash x. X is 1, x is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, f dash 1 plus 1 square times 3 into f1 square, then f dash 1 plus f1 cube times 2. 2 into 1 is 2 equals 0. From this you need to find out f1. Okay, f dash 1, f dash 1. You need to find out f dash 1. F dash 1 plus 1 square is 1. You don't need to write that. 3 into, what is f1? f1 is 2 times 2 square f dash 1 plus f1 is 2. 2 cube times 2 equals 0. Okay, this one is f dash 1 plus 2 square is 4. 4 times 3 is 12 f dash 1 plus 2 cube is 2 in 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16 equals 0. Then see, I'm going to write here f dash 1. What is f dash 1 plus 12 f dash 1? 13 f dash 1. 13 f dash 1 plus 16 equals 0. 13 f dash 1 equals minus 16. F dash 1 equals minus 16 divided by 13. That is the answer. Okay guys, this is a simple question, but you need to be careful. See, this is the condition. Fx is equal to a square times fx the whole cube is equal to 10. And f1 is equal to find f dash 1. Okay. First differentiate this. F dash x plus s. Here you need to apply the product rule. A square into 3fx the whole square times f dash x plus Second function f dash x the whole cube into derivative of x square is 2x equals 0. Derivative of 10 is 0. Then put x is equal to 1. See, when you put x is equal to 1, you need to apply the condition also. f1 equals 2, right? Wherever you see f1, you need to put 2. F dash 1 plus 1 square into 3. F1, first you put x is equal to 1. f1 the whole square times f dash 1 plus f1 the whole cube times 2. F dash 1 plus 1 square is 1. 3, what is f1? 2. 2 square. 3 into 2 square. F dash 1 plus 2 cube times 2. F dash 1 plus 12 f dash 1 plus 16 equals, what is f dash 1 plus 12 f dash 1? F dash 1 means 1 f dash 1. 1 f dash 1 plus 12 f dash 1 is 13 f dash 1. You understand? That is a plus 12b. What is a plus 12b? A plus 12b. Sorry. A plus 12a. What is a plus 12a? 1a plus 12a is 13a. 13a. Same thing. 1 f dash a, f dash 1 plus 12 f dash 1 plus 16 equals 0. That is 13 f dash 1 plus 16 equals 0. When you move this or adding minus 16 on both sides, this one cancel out. 13 f dash 1 equals minus 16. Dividing by 13 on both sides, you get the answer. Okay? Okay, one more question. If gx, another function, gx means it's like fx, gx plus x sine gx, here gx is the angle because gx is after sine, equals x square. Find g dash 0. Find g dash 0. Okay, first differentiate. What is the derivative of gx? G dash x. Then derivative of x is 1. You don't need to write that. See here product rule is a product function. See, product of two functions. X is the first function and the second function is a sine function. So you need to apply the product rule. First function into derivative of sine cos gx. Cos gx. Then derivative of gx, g dash x. That one finished. Okay. Then plus. Second function sine gx. Derivative of x 1 equals. See, this is the product rule. Okay. Then derivative of x square 2x. Okay. Then when x is equal to 0, g dash 0 plus 0 into whatever it is becomes 0 times whatever it is 0 plus sine g dash 0 equals 2 times 0, 0. Right? Okay, what is g dash 0? We are going to find out g dash 0. Okay, g dash 0 equal g dash 0 plus sine g dash 0. No, this one is g0. Sine g0 equals 0. Okay, g dash 0 equals minus sine G0. That is the answer. G dash 0 equals minus, now this guy we need to move from here to the other side. G dash 0 equals minus sine G0. We don't know what is G0. Okay? So this is the answer. One more time. Yeah, G0 we can find out. First, we can find out G0 here. When x is equal to 0, G0 plus 0 times, that is 0, equals 0. G0 is 0. Okay? So G0 is 0 minus G dash 0 equals minus sine 0. What is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0. So the answer is 0. Okay, one more time. First, if gx plus x sine gx is equal to x square, differentiate g dash x plus here product rule, x into derivative of sine gx is cos gx, then derivative of gx is g dash x plus sine gx times 1 equals derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, then g dash 0 plus 0 times anything is becomes 0, then sine g0 equals 0. So you get g dash 0 equals minus sine g0. How can you find sine g0? Put 0 here. G0, see, G0 plus 0 times, that is 0, equals 0. G0 equals 0. G0 equals 0. Okay? When G0 equals 0, sine 0, what is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0. Sine 0 is 0. So G dash 0, from the table, you can know when we take the trigonometry, I will explain everything. Now you need to learn what is the value of sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. G dash 0 equals 0. Okay, guys? Okay, take your pencil and paper and do these problems 2-3 times. Thank you for watching. Thank you.